Guys, so right now your boy got new carbon fiber mirror caps. In order to put these on, we gotta remove this, and in order to do that, we need to use these plastics, and he's putting it in between.
Ábrele ahí, Chela.
Look at that. He has to do the same process all the way around until it just pops out. And then in the corner right there, there's a connection that he needs to disconnect and be careful with. We got a different type of tool and he's trying to get it out. While he's doing that, I'm gonna show you the new mirror caps. Fucking badass. Should look dope. Can't wait. Carbon fiber matches. Yes, sir. Más cuidado con el vidrio, va a quebrar. ¿De acá ya se salió del fajo? Alright guys, check it out. We got it out, bro. Yes sir. So look, right here, ¿me lo agarras? So right here's the connection.
No, no está conectado nada. Aquí.
Yeah. So eso lo va a tener que conectar. So it's right here, guys. So right now he's gonna connect the new one. No sé por dónde estaba ya.
¿No se despega o qué?
No.
¿Nomás al pichón o qué?
Ajá, sí puedes mirar.
A ver.
¿Luz?